To access the database in our debug folder, there are some few modifications we have to do. And before we do that, let's come back to the add product form and go to the set product ID. We set this one to 101, that is if there is no product in the database. Instead of the 101, let's set it to an empty string. Just delete the 101, but have your quotation marks there. It means that if no product has been added yet, the text box will be empty. But as you click add product, it will automatically generate the first one. So you don't have to worry about that. Just leave it empty and leave the rest unchanged. Okay. Let's go to the Solution Explorer and look for Program. Click on it. It brings you here. This is where we set the first form to be displayed. We have to add one more line to it. App domain dot current domain dot set data. Into brackets we have data directory in quotation marks, comma. We have system dot environment dot current directory dot replace. We are replacing it into bracket, quotation marks, double backslash bin, double backslash debug. We close it, comma, an empty string. We close and we close the outer one and we terminate it. Let's look at something here. Let's go to the app.config. Click on it. This is our connection string. The database that is being used. We have the data directory, and that is the main or the root folder. Come back here to the supermarket billing system here, right click on it and go down to open folder in File Explorer. This is the root folder and this is the database that the system is using. This one here. However, when we click this start, it comes here to the bin folder, to the debug folder, and uses this database. Therefore, without this line here, where is my folder? The compiler tries to access this database, but it is empty. It is empty. When we save, it rather goes into the one that is right here in the root folder. Therefore, this line here changes the current directory to the one that is in the debug folder, bin. So we have bin/debug. It uses this one. However, when we are done with our program, we have to come back here and remove this line, because when your program is now being run after you have installed for your users, it will use the database that is in the root folder. So we have to come back here and remove this line when we are done writing our program. Let's click save, and we can now save everything and run it again. Go back to inventory and click add product. Okay, so I was trying to test the system with this data here. Now we have, this is the product ID 100, 101, and the next one is 102. Let's add below and set the quantity, the price 15. Click add product. Okay, it is added. Let's add another one, and as you can see, the product ID has changed. let's go to the next item and call that mock. Set the quantity, set the price. If you leave the price blank and you click add, there will be a message you missed a required field. You have to go back and continue that. If you remember, we did all that. So we put the price 5. If you have any descriptions, can be put here. You click add. Okay, it is also added. For us to confirm whether those changes have been made, let's close it and reopen it again. Now we have everything back in our database. So we are done for now with the add product. We can actually format the data grid view in terms of the font size, and we can still do other things, but that is the main thing that we need to do with the add products. We are now able to add a new product to our database. So let's close this and just go back to the add product forms. The form here, select this, go to the property window and scroll down to default source style. Click here, click on these 3 dots, and we can change the font size from here. Let's change it to 11 and click OK. So that is for the main content. Let's do same for the heading. We go to column, headers, default style here. Select this and change that one to 10. Click OK. OK. And that is done. Click save to save everything. So we are done with the add products module. Next we're going to look at manage stock or manage products.